All right, welcome back. So this is we want to continue from 2020 Neco, Junior Neco 2020. So in the last video we did 1 to 10. So in this video we want to do 11 to 20. Express this as a decimal. That means you are dividing 3 by 4. 4 goes in 3 is not possible 0. Then you put point so that you can add 0 to 3 so that the 4 can be able to go in 30. So 4 in 30, 7, that's 28. The remainder 2, you also add another 0 so that the division will continue. So 4, the denominator 4 into 20 this time around is 5, and that's it. 4 times 5 is 20, there's no remainder. So the option is 0.75, option E. Express this as denary number. Denary is base 10, so we are doing each of the digits times the base 4. That's 2 times 4 plus the second one, 2 times 4 plus the third one, 1 times 4 plus the fourth one, 1 times 4. Okay, then all the bases to 0 from the back, 1, 2, 3 from behind. So you do exponent first. 4 raised to power 3 is 64. That is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 in 3 places. Don't go and do 4 times 3, 12. No. 4 times 4 times another 4. That's 64. So now 64, the answer of this place is 64 times 2 is 128. Hmm? Then plus 4 in 2 places, that's 16, not 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Then times this 2, 32. Then 4 in 1 place is 4, obviously. Then the 4 times 1, 4. Then 4 raised to power 0 is 1 from the law of indices. So the 1 times 1 will give you 1. So 128 plus 32. 128 plus 32. 32 and 28 is 60. With 100, that 165. 165. Okay. Number 13, square root of this. Okay, this is a question that you need to apply wisdom. They are not perfect squares, so you cannot easily find their square root like that. So we need to cut our work. We can cut this 0, 0 cancel 0. We reduce to the lowest term. From there, you can get your perfect square. So 5 into 7, 1. I mean that 2 in 25, 5. That will be somehow, 5 will not be appropriate because that 15 is not a perfect square. So I will change it. So let me change it. So that means I will do 0 as cancel 0. So I will do 3. Let's do 3. Let's come down. 5 is too high. 3 here, 2. That's 6. The 1 will join 5 here. In 15, 3 in 15, 5. Aha, it's better. So 3 in 10, that's 3. Remainder 1. You join 1 to the 8. In 18, 6. So this is a perfect square now. So you find square root of 25 and square root of what? 36, which is 5 over what? 6. That's 5 over 6. The square root of 25 and 36. 5 over 6. The square root. So, square root. Number 14. Which of the following angles cannot be constructed using a ruler and a pair of compasses only? You can construct 90. If you bisect 90, you get 45. Half of 90 is 45 years. 60 years. 120 years, that's double of 60. But 115 is not possible. Okay, but 105 is possible, which is 90 plus 15. Then 135 is possible, also 90 and 45. So those one that we can construct with a ruler and a pair of compasses are 90, 45, 60, 120, 105, 135, even 75, which is 60 plus 15. These are the things you must know. Okay. All right. Number 15. Richard walks a distance of 4 kilometers to school in an hour. Okay, how far can he walk in 5.5 hours? So this is, we are comparing the rate at which he walks for 4 kilometers as in per hour. We are comparing to, comparison has to do with ratio. We are comparing with, okay, what if you now walk, how many distance will you cover for 5.5 hours? So that's comparison. We are comparing, that's synonymous to what? Ratio. So it's relating to ratio. So ratio, we handle it. We need to do is 4 is 1, as in 4 kilometers, we go for 1. Then x kilometer, we go for 5.5. 5.5 is 5.5. It's a direct proportion question, so direct. So x times 1 is x. 5.5 times 4. I've done this in my previous video, how to multiply decimal, okay, and whole number, or decimal and decimal. So if you first of all remove the point, which is 55. 55 times 4 will give you what? Let's do it. 55 times 4. What times 5? 20. Another 2. This is another 20. 22. 220. So that's 220. But this is one decimal place, a number after decimal point. So you count from the back. 1, your answer, you count it. So you put dot. So the answer is just 22 kilometers. All right. Surveyor bearing of 300 is equivalent to a compass bearing of what? In surveyor's bearing, it has to do with from the north going. It's a 3-digit bearing. You're coming from here. This is 90. With another 90, 180. With another 90, 270. So 300 is entering here. Yeah. So the remaining balance here is 60. So we have 60 here. So if here, everything is, that's why in a circle, everything that goes around is 360. So if from here to here is 300, that means this is 90, 90, that's 180. So this is 270. 90 times 3, 270, up to this place. So that means the balance here is 30. Okay? Which, of course, 60 and 30 is 90. Okay? So in compass bearing, you will neighbor your 4 cardinal point. This is north, south, west, east. So where this line is passing through is in between north and west. So our answer obviously is going to be northwest. So it's between C and D, okay? Between C and D. All right. Then you go and check where the north, look at where we have north, where the angle that lies on the north is 60. So 60 automatic is our answer. We can't pick the one that is lying on west or east. It's either we pick the one that is lying on north or on south. So 60 is what we are picking. It's resting on the north pole. So north 60, west is our answer. It's in between north and west. The angle is resting on north, not on west. We are not picking 30. So it's north 60 west, north 60 west. That's option D. Number 17, what is the bearing of B from A? So bearing of B from A means from the north to the line that is joining B and A. So you need the entire of this place. Many people don't get that. Bearing of B from A, you're starting from A. From the north, you go clockwise to the line that is joining A and B together. So from here to here. That is what you should be targeting to get. Now, if everything on a straight line is 180, and if obviously it's even labeled that here is 25, so your work is half done. All I need to do is 180 minus 25 now, will give us this balance. 180 minus 25 will give us this balance, okay? Which is what? 55. 155. 155. All right. Number 18, another bearing again. Calculate the bearing of B from A. It's easy. B from A, as in this B, from this A, it means from the north of the A to the line that is joining B and A together. That's how to do it. So you're looking for the entire of this place. B from A means from the north, you go clockwise to this line that is joining B and A. That's how to figure out bearing. All right. So how do we now get from here to here? It's easy. All I need to do is, since you complete it, it's better we complete it. Let's complete it. Let's draw this line. Get on a straight line. So this is Z angle. Can you see? Z angle. So this angle is alternate to this. So if I'm able to get here, I will just drop it here. They are equal. Here is equal to here. Alternate angle. So how do we get here? If everything here is 220, angle on a straight line is 180. So here is 180. I will remove 180 from 220. The balance here is 40. So here is 40. Okay? 40 degrees. So 40 degrees is the answer. It's as simple as that. You can pause my video and rewatch, okay? Let's talk about number 19. All right. Going by board mass, we do bracket first. So 3 over 2, automatic, this off is multiplication. So let's do the bracket first and leave this 7 over 1 for now. Let's make it over 1. Okay. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. 3 times 7. 3 cannot go in 7. 7 cannot go in 3. So the lowest common multiple in them that they can go in is 21. 3 times or 3 times 7, 21. So 3 here 7. 7 here is also 3. Or you do that 3, 7, this method, 3 here 1, 3 here impossible, you write it. Then 7 here 1, 1. So it's 21. So 3 we divide this, that's 7. 3 into 21, 7. Times this numerator, that's 7. Plus 7 into 21, 3. Times 4, that's 12. Okay, so we have 3 over 2 times 7 plus 12 is 19 over 21. Then times this 7 over 1. So we now have time multiplication, which is to be done together by cutting. We can cut 3 here 1, 3 here 7. 7 cancel 7. So 19 over 2 is the answer, which is option D. Okay. Express a commission of 15 on every 200 as a percentage. That means 15 out of 200. Percentage means times 100 over 1. Multiply your fraction by 100. That's all. Times 100 over 1. Two zeros, two zeros. 2 into 15. Okay, how did they? Okay, 2 into 15 is 7.5. That is 7 times. 2 here, 7 times. Remainder 1 over the denominator, which is 2. So obviously, the answer is E. So that is the end of the batch 2. So in our next video, we'll take a look at question 21 to 30. Thank you for watching.